Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Tanya. If you're new to the channel, welcome. If you are returning, thank you. In today's video, I have a few errands that I need to run and boring stuff, and also I have a little mommy and twin day where I'm just planning on taking the kids out. I haven't decided which direction where I'm gonna go, but I'm debating on two places, and I just wanted to come out here and just, take you guys along with me, and yeah, just enjoy this day. I woke up feeling a little blah, but you know what? Seeing the sun, you guys, really just put me in a better headspace. And so I'm always reminded to be grateful that one, we woke up this morning, we have our eyes, we can see, we can hear. And so it's so important to sort of shift your thinking. I know that post-COVID and during COVID, a lot of people struggle with depression and anxiety and whatnot. And so what I realized that the trick is to sort of count your blessings. And I know that sounds simple enough, but when you really think about it, there's a lot to be grateful for. And I get it, sometimes our situations can be pretty unique, but I know unique. COVID has not been that great to us. Trust me. We had our fair shares of ups and downs. I mean, lows. And so I just started getting into a habit of just waking up, thanking God for the day, really shifting my mindset, not focusing on the problem too much, really, and just making the best of every situation. Like we like to say in our church, focus on the praise, not the problem. And so that's something that I want to share with you all, the importance. That's something I want to share with you all, the importance of just, I guess you can call it positive thinking. So yeah, so today is going to be pretty low key. I plan on taking the kids out. I didn't want to. I kind of wanted to be a little selfish today and make this about me. I think today is supposed to go up to 70, a high of 70, which is great for spring. Awesome. But I had to really think about it for a second. I know we're not the richest, me and my husband, not the richest people in the world, but we try to make, well, at least I try to make a lot of time where I take the kids out and really just let them be kids and enjoy themselves. There are times where we feel like we don't want to because they're just so high energy. They're almost 4 years old and they are a lot of energy. But I think it's important, creating the memories, spending the time with them, and letting them know that they are loved, they're cared for, and so they really enjoy just being out, just like their mommy. They're just like their mommy. Just love just being out. I was raised in a family of 8. It was the 6 of us, and my parents didn't always have the financial opportunities to take us all out. I've never been to Disney World, just to give you an example. But, I don't want that for my kids. We try to do the very best we can. And also, it's not always about spending the money. It could just be just the time. So, maybe just taking them to the library. The library, usually public libraries, always have little things for the kids to do. I also look to see what are some of the free events that I can take advantage of. Lowe's offer children's workshop. Home Depot offer free children's workshop. Michael's, if you have a Michael's near you, offer kids and adults free children's workshops. I think with Michael's, they also have ones that you pay for, but nonetheless, there's just always ample opportunity to really take your kids out. You could even take them to the park. 2 things in mind that like I said, 2 options in mind that I plan on taking them to, and so we'll see. And so that's going to be our day today. We're just going to be out here enjoying today. Don't look back. Be careful.
You guys come. We're coming.
Go ahead, Mama. Go ahead, handsome. Right. This way. Don't put your head in the back. How are you? Nice to them. What is it?
Yeah, you're probably right. Hi, how are you? Who's that?
All right, you do it, Mama. Do I need? Oh, I do. Okay. Ooh, yeah, it's a cold girl. You cold.
I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. Got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. You got me dancing in my bed, so let me show it. You are exactly what I want. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. I got my head out the sunroof. You got me stuck on the thought of you. Driving down the freeway at night.
Okay.
I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. La da la da da la da da. La da 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 da.
You want to do this one? You want this one? You want to dance? All right. Let's dance. Okay, wherever it tells you to jump, you gotta jump to it, okay? Ready?
Gotta find my way to you. Even though you're next to me, no matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized. Gotta find my way to you, no matter what I do. Gotta find my way to you.
Like, spin it. Good job. Spin it, Raphael. Spin it. Both hands, mama. Both hands. Both hands.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you,
Ready? Back.
even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head on the water, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you.
All right. Bye. All right, you guys, I'm back home and I am, as you can see here, I have prepared all my fruits and vegetables because I have decided to start juicing. This is just something that I've been wanting to do for quite some time now, but I never really found the courage to do so. So after doing some research on, postpartum care and mental health and how the two connects, I just felt like maybe this would be a great idea to sort of do it and talk about it. And I want to first start off by just reading a scripture in the Bible, if that's okay with you guys, which is 1 Corinthians 31. And it says, "So whatever you eat or drink or whatever you do all to the glory of God." And I think that it's important that we focus on our health and take this as important as possible. So I just decided to start juicing or at least incorporating that in as part of my diet as a great source of nutrients and so on. So in this particular juice or this particular recipe, I had some sweet watermelon, some lemons, which I don't peel. The oranges, same thing, I don't peel, skin on. Some cucumber and some celery. I don't have a juicer yet, so I go ahead and use my Vitamix. I blend it up and I strain it through a cheesecloth. Delicious.